not visible, Safi?
Miss, I think it's delay.
Okay. Your net is having the problem then.
Yes, miss, I'll contact the net
So I am just telling you
department.
now, just listen to me. I am
Okay,
also
miss.
repeating the question. C2H4, carbon is 12 and hydrogen is 1. Calculate their MR.
20.
Carbon is 12 and hydrogen is 1. So C2H4, what will be the MR of it?
Miss, 2.
Which is
320
28.
divided by 160.
28 is the MR. MR is 28. Yes, Ismail.
Yes, okay.
The answer is 0.5 moles.
Yes, Mavia, it is 0.5 mole. Very good. And what about Yaya? Yaya, you have the calculator,
Yes.
beta?
Answer is 0.5 and MR is 28.
Very good. Very nice. So please, everyone should answer so that I will mark your assignment marks. Okay.
Yes, his answer is 28 and MR is 0.5.
14 divided by 28, then it will be
0.5.
0.5. Okay. What about Hassan Kazi? Hassan Kazi left the class. Hassan, are you there in my class or not? Okay, yes. Omar? Yes. So, now this is the MR calculation and the moles calculation, and you have done it very correctly. Now, Avogadro's constant, I told you that 1 mole of any substance is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms or molecule or ions. We have done it. Number of moles is equal to number of particles upon 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Isn't it? We have done it.
Yes, miss.
Okay, now I'm moving forward. Molar volume, gas volume, we also have done.
Wait, miss.
Just check in your copies. Molar gas volume have we done? 24,
Mole of oxygen gas.
24 dm cube and 24,000 cm cube.
Yes, miss.
Yes, mister is done.
It's done. Okay. So can I give you small two questions so that it will be at the practice? Convert
Okay.
the following into moles. Now you have to convert these two into the moles. Okay. Now 0.002 dm cube of chlorine gas at STP. What is STP? Standard temperature and pressure. And 20 cm cube of oxygen at RTP. RTP is room temperature and pressure. So whenever the RTP and STP is written with the question, your mind should go towards 24 dm cube or 24,000 cm cube formula. Fine. So convert them and tell me what will be the moles of these two. If dm cube, then divide by 24. If cm cube, divide by 24,000. Okay, Kazi has the net problem. So Kazi cannot write in the comment box. Right? Ask Kazi to write in the comment box, beta. Otherwise, assignment marks will be deducted.
Says I'm single F approved.
Okay, what is the answer number 1? G. Just divide it with the 24. 0.002 divided by 24. What is the answer? What is happening, boys? This is very quick kind of a question. Yes, Safi, Mavia, Shoaib. Now it has been like very delayed, so I am giving you 0. Yes, Shoaib. Why it is too late? 8.3 into 10 to the power minus 5. And it is 8.33.
Miss, we only divided by 24.
Of course, the dm cube
Miss,
is there. So dm cube से ही करेंगे. And if it is cm cube, then 24,000 cm cube.
Miss 8.33333, or then it will be a dot on the 3, Miss.
Dot on the 3.
Yes, Miss, because it is occurring again and again. We put a dot on the 3.
8.33, that's it.
8.33
Huh?
multiply by 10 minus 5.
10 minus
Okay.
5. And
Okay.
8.33 into 10 to the power minus 4. Simplest answers.
Yes, I was doing, but my mic was not opening.
Okay. Yes, Shoaib. Okay, Kazi has a net problem. What about others? Mavia, Yaya? Come on, beta. Ismail, where are you?
Yes, Miss, I am getting the same answer.
Yes, so I have done.
Okay. Okay, now we are moving towards the next one because we have done it. E5, what is the meaning of E5, Ashway? 10 raised to the power minus 5. Or it will be coming 0.40833333. What are you doing with the mobile, Shoaib? You do not have calculator? At your home, you people are not having your stationery. Okay, done.
Yes,
Now
Miss.
we are moving towards the another thing. Already we started stoichiometry in the class.
No, Miss.
Yes, I told you that what is the stoichiometry?
In the last class, last online class.
In the last class, yes.
No,
Online
Miss, you
class.
told when only 7 students were present.
You were not there.
No,
No,
Miss.
Miss, I was there.
You were there, no? Then, okay, I'm doing it again. That is why I am doing everything like again, so that if you missed anything, then you can catch up. Okay? Because this is very important topic, and every question of paper 2 has one part of mole. 3 to 4 MCQs are coming from moles, and paper 4 is basically carrying almost 25 marks of moles. So it is very important chapter. So you have to pay more attention. So that is why I reinforce all the previous topics as well. Fine. Now stoichiometry. If you haven't done, so open it, open your notebooks and write it.
Stoichiometry.
Okay, what is the stoichiometry? In the stoichiometry, two compounds are means the data of the two compounds are shared. One is known and another is unknown. One compound's data is given in detail, and then you have to give the answer for the another compound data. And how would we do that? We would do that by using balanced chemical equations. So balanced chemical equations. Very nice. Cheyenne always came late, so I am not admitting it. Okay, what will happen? That the balanced chemical equation you need for the molar ratio. So what will happen? That the molar ratio will be applied. Molar ratio will be applied, and the molar ratio is applied by using balanced chemical equations. Okay, so two compounds have been discussed. Two compounds discussed, and in the two compounds, one compound data is given and another compound data is being asked. And then what will happen? We will connect them, we will link both of the compounds by using chemical equation, and the equation will be having the balancing factor. You know, the coefficients are being used in front of the balanced chemical equation, and that coefficient gives you the molar ratio. Okay, so write in your copies, molar ratio is being required, balanced chemical equation is required, two
Molar?
compounds. Ji beta.
Molar what, miss?
Molar ratio.
Molar ratio.
Ratio. Molar ratio will be applied by using the balanced chemical equation. Okay. Now, what will happen now? See, and this stoichiometry will give you the number of moles. Okay, the number of moles are the basic of every molar related question. Okay. Now I'm giving you a question over here. Write down this question first. Is it appearing on your screen?
Miss, the bullet points are appearing.
127 gram of copper metal reacts with
Yes,
32.
yes.
Okay, this everyone please note down this question.
127.
127 grams of copper reacts with 32 grams of oxygen to produce 159 gram of copper oxide. Everyone please write it down. What beta? There is a question. Write this question, Shoaib.
Miss, written question.
Okay, Shoaib, just copy down this question. What okay, done. Then I am explaining. Now, have you all written?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now what you will do? Divide every gram with the AR of the element and
Every
find out
gram?
number of moles. Means number of moles. First step to find out number of moles. Likhiye, first step, find out number of moles. What is the formula for the moles?
Mass upon MR or AR.
Yes, mass upon AR or MR. So here they are metals and the compounds. So you will write the AR of the metals elements and the MR of the compound. So 127 gram of copper. So what is the AR of copper?
Miss, 63.5. 64.
64. Okay. So 127 divided by 64. Find out and tell me what is the answer.
1.98.
So 1.98 is equal to 2. It seems to be 2, na? It is nearer to
Yes,
the 2.
miss. Yes, yes,
It is
miss.
2. Everyone has the same answer. Please answer me. Otherwise, I am putting the cross in front of your assignment if you are not participating in the class. Okay. So for oxygen, what is the AR of oxygen?
16.
16. Yes.
2R, miss. 2.
Okay.
2:2, miss. It's in
Okay.
1. 1:1.
Now, copper oxide. What is the MR of the copper oxide? CuO. Add 16 plus 64.
Copper.
Copper is 64. Oxygen is 16.
Miss 80.
80. So 159 divided by 80.
160.
159 divided by 80.
159 divided by 80.
1.98.
1.98 means 2.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now, what is the molar ratio between copper, oxygen, and copper oxide?
What, miss?
Molar ratios. What is the molar ratio between copper, oxygen, and copper oxide?
2, miss.
Copper.
Copper
Miss
is
2.
2. Oxygen is
1.
1. And copper
And
oxide is 2.
2.
So 2:1:2. Is it the ratio?
Miss.
Miss, how is it?
मिस
One oxygen भी 2 आ रहा
ऑक्सीजन भी 2 आ रहा तो दोनों 1 हो जाएंगे ना मिस कट हो जाएंगे
ऑक्सीजन 2 कैसे आ रहा है?
है?
ऑक्सीजन
32
भी
upon
32/16 है
Oxygen is a gas, beta. So 32 divided by 32. अरे
Oh
oxygen is a
yes, yes.
O2 double. So 16
Yes.
multiplied by 2.
Yes.
Oxygen is always the gas, beta.
Yes, miss.
And you are reacting it. So when the metal burns, so element of oxygen will help or oxygen gas will help?
Oxygen gas.
Oxygen gas, obviously. Fine. So what is the
Yes.
ratio now? 2:1:2. Now, can you be able to write its equation? Now see, this is the equation. With copper, you will write coefficient 2. With oxygen, you will write nothing because there is 1. And with copper oxide, you will write coefficient 2. That is how you can balance equation by using moles as well. Isn't it?
C.
With the copper, 2 moles, so coefficient is 2. Oxygen is 1, so nothing will write with the oxygen. And copper 2 oxide is 2, then write coefficient 2. That is how you can write chemical equation by using moles. So write it. We can write the balanced equation by using moles and molar ratios.
Okay, miss, written.
चुप करें यार.
Yes, everyone has written. Please tell me.
Yes, miss.
Okay. And you must write in your notebooks or your notebooks whenever, inshallah, you will be coming back in January. Then this work would be done, was there in your copies. So maintain your copies. Is it clear to all of you? Shall I now move on?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Everyone, beta. Shoaib, Hassan Kazim, I think so, left. Who is this Sayyid Mohammad Zia?
Sam Zia.
Miss,
Eh?
forget.
Sam, it's Sam.
How the Saham came in my class? Saham? Are you there in my class?
सारी क्लास खराब कर दी.
When you enter in my class? Saham, you were late. Yes, beta. Very nice. I rejected Shayan's request because he was late at 9:40, and you came in my class very. Okay, so can I mark your absent, Saham? Why you were late? My choice? Beta, it's your choice. Why you are not coming on time? Tell me. Why you people are not coming on time? Huh? What should I say that you were sleeping? I also sleep, beta. I am also human being. I also sleep. And today I am also not feeling well. Even though I am here for your class. I am not well right now. But I am sitting and taking your class. Saham? If I don't know you, then definitely I will throw you out. Because I know you people now. So I am just giving you a chance. But this is wrong. Isn't it? Saham? Yes, beta? Okay. Saham, you are also not giving me any assignment. So I'm just giving you 0 for the assignment. Because we have done so many assignments. Okay. Now this is the another question. Everyone should participate. Okay. Now, calculate the mass of magnesium oxide that can be made by completely burn 6 grams of magnesium in oxygen. Write this question and this equation. Then we will do the solution of it. Please write down this question in your copies. Only Safi mic is working and Mavia mic is working. Otherwise, everyone has no mic.
Miss, my mic is also working. Yes.
Okay, yeah, also working. Yes, sorry. And what about others?
मिस तो माइक तो हर बिल्ड इन डिवाइस है तो ये कैसे नहीं चलता?
पूछे ना।
बस
Ask.
है, और इनके पास हैंड
मैंने
फ्री भी वही होता है
उसको
जिसमें वही नहीं
करते हैं
होता.
ना, वो यूज करते हैं, कंप्यूटर यूज करते हैं तो उसके अंदर नहीं होता ना.
यार कंप्यूटर में मेरे पास, भाई कंप्यूटर में है ना, मेरे पास हेडफोन है इतने बड़े बड़े, बहुत बड़े बड़े हेडफोन है. मैं दिखाऊंगा किसी दिन. लाइक
Yes.
वैसे इस्माइल का मुझे पता नहीं, लेकिन ये फोर्टनाइट भी खेलना आता है तो अब हेडसेट्स लगाता है, तो पता नहीं कंप्यूटर पे
आएंगे,
नहीं
मैं
लगा.
इनके पास भी आएंगे, स्माइल के पास भी आएंगे.
Very good for playing. You have everything, but for the class, you don't have anything.
PS4 कैमरा.
Okay, PS4 camera.
कैमरे से बोलते.
कैमरे का मैं इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ, उसमें भी
कैमरे
होता
से कैसे बोलते हो भाई? और कैमरे का माइक तो है नहीं, तुमने खुद कहा था मेरे हेडसेट्स हैं.
If I will say that open your camera, so everyone now, no, we don't have cameras, है ना?
है. मैं सह का भी मोबाइल रखा हुआ, मसला नहीं है मेरा. सीधे कनेक्ट करके खुल जाएगा.
And you people are all boys, and even then you are very much cautious about your looks, huh?
मैं नो मैं ना बाल बने हैं मेरे ना कुछ, मैं अभी भी कैमरा खोल लूं.
If there's a girl, so I can understand. For the girls, yes, looks are definitely important, but for the boys, yes, But if I say, okay, open your class, open your cameras, then no one will open, huh?
Yes, I will open.
Okay, only Safi will open. What about others?
मिस कैमरा ही नहीं है.
Yeah, देखा? अब मेरा performance शुरू हो गया. No camera. Yes, I know. Saham, you are using Nokia?
मिस
Which
मैं
no?
खोलूंगा तो सब खोलेंगे.
What, Yaya?
मिस मैं खोल लूंगा अगर बाकी मेरे साथ होंगे कोई, वरना अकेले मैं नहीं खोलूंगा.
Yaya, Safi is with you. Safi is with you. And I know that Ismail also can open if Ismail has the camera. I know Ismail can also.
इस्माइल ने भी बोल दिया बस कैमरा
है कैमरा उसके पास, so
अभी भी तो बोला.
he can open. And I don't know about the Saham. Saham is very much into the looks, huh, Saham? So he's using the Nokia. So just like here, so PS4 camera. Okay, fine. So all have copied this question. Calculate the mass of magnesium oxide that can be made by completely burning 6 grams of magnesium in the oxygen. And this equation you have written,
Yes.
everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now the solution. What is the first thing? Only 6 grams of magnesium is given. So magnesium mass is given. So whenever the mass of any element or compound is given, you have to start with that gram and convert it to moles.
Moles.
That is the first step for every question. If mass is given of any particular element or a compound, the first step. Who is this Casper Gaming? Who is this Casper Gaming?
Don't know, miss.
You because he wants the admission to enter the class. Is he Shayan? Saham? Do you know?
No, miss. Right.
Because definitely it is the policy of our school that I will not allow anyone outside the beacon house. And if it is Shayan, it is Mr. Hill. And better look at the time. Please convey 2 minutes are left for my class to be over. And I will allow them. You know? Next time, on Thursday, I want you all to be in my class at 9. Okay, I will allow till 9:10. But not after that. I will remove you people then. Okay, Saham? For you especially and Shayan.
Miss, the moles is 0.25.
Okay, yes. So 6 grams of magnesium is given. Magnesium AR is 24. So what is the first step? C, calculate the moles of magnesium.
6 upon 24.
Yes, 6 divided by 24, it is 0.25. And
Yes.
0.25 is the mole ratio by using the balanced equation.
First, we have to find the
See that
molecular mass.
calculate the magnesium oxide mass. So it is unknown. Magnesium oxide is unknown and magnesium grams is given, so magnesium is known, isn't it?
Yes.
So we will write the molar ratio known and unknown. Unknown should be at the end.
Okay.
Okay. So magnesium and magnesium oxide. What is the ratio? What is the coefficient in front of them? 2 with magnesium and 2 with magnesium oxide. So what is the ratio between them? 1:1?
Miss, 2:1:2.
Only magnesium and magnesium oxide is here, na beta?
Yes, miss.
Not
Then it
that
is.
talking about oxygen over here. Oxygen is silent over here.
So, miss, we have to calculate the oxygen one.
No,
What
no,
we have
no.
to calculate?
See, the gram of magnesium is given.
Yes.
And ask you the mass of magnesium oxide. So they are talking about 2 compounds only. Magnesium and magnesium oxide. Okay? They are not talking about oxygen.
Okay, miss.
So one is known, whose data is with you, like magnesium. And one is unknown, whose data has to be found out. That is magnesium oxide. So what is the ratio? 2:2. What is the molar ratio? 2:2 or 1:1. So it means the same number of moles is of magnesium oxide as well.
Yes, miss.
because both are equal in terms of moles. So moles of magnesium oxide is also 0.25. Now, what is the step 3? Because we have to find the mass of magnesium oxide. So number of moles is equal to mass upon MR. Just change that formula. Mass is equal to mole multiplied by MR. So magnesium oxide MR you are supposed to calculate. That is 40. And multiply with the number of moles 0.25 and 10 grams is the answer.
मिस समझ नहीं आया वहां से, मिस रेशियो से समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, because this is a new thing, so I am just telling you. See the question. In the question, the 6 grams of magnesium is given, isn't it?
Yes, miss.
So it is what? It is the known compound. They
Yes.
asked us about the mass of magnesium oxide. The mass of magnesium oxide we have to calculate. So they are talking about two compounds, magnesium and magnesium oxide. First, we calculate the moles of magnesium by using 6 grams. Okay. In the
Okay.
next step, we apply the molar ratio between magnesium and magnesium oxide. Magnesium is known and magnesium oxide is unknown. Okay.
Okay.
So what is the ratio in the balanced equation? 2:2?
2:2.
It means they are equal in amount. 1:1.
Yes. Yes,
So
miss.
their moles are also will be equal.
Okay, miss.
Fine. So the moles of
Can you
magnesium is
scroll up a little bit?
Sorry.
Can you scroll up a little bit?
Yes, yes. That you want this
Yes, yes, miss.
or this?
Upper, upper.
Okay. First, we calculated the moles of magnesium. Then we apply the molar ratio. Because the molar ratio is equal, so number of moles are also equal. Now you have number of moles. You apply this formula, moles is equal to mass upon MR. You calculate magnesium oxide MR, that is 40. And multiply it with the number of moles, you will get the mass, that is 10 gram. Okay, now clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay, this is the question which I am giving you. Equation is also there. So do it as a revision and then we will be discussing this question in our next class.
Miss, we
Yes.
have to find the magnesium oxide
Mass.
in the molecular mass also in
Yes,
the first
definitely.
place. Okay,
Because
miss.
MR is there now, so MR you have to calculate, na beta?
Okay, miss.
24 and oxygen is 16, so it is 40. Now, please, everyone, this is over. Time is over. So please write down this question and try to do at home. And if you do not, then definitely we will discuss. Whatever you will do, we will discuss this. Calculate the mass in tons of aluminium that can be produced from 51 tons of aluminium oxide. And this is the equation. And these are the MR or ARs of the compound. So please note it down and do it in your notebooks as a homework. Do it. Those who have copied it, they can leave. And if you are copying it, I'm here.
Miss, magnesium oxide